WVU Medicine Camden Clark held its annual Health and Wellness Day at their Health and Wellness Center, located on Birch Street in Parkersburg. According to the director of the Camden Clark Foundation, Kim Couch, the Health and Wellness Day is a chance for the community to see the different things available at the hospital. Included with the day was low-cost EKG vouchers, different screenings, and an interactive teddy bear to introduce healthcare to the kids. A member of the Parkersburg Rotary Club, Jill Parsons, said the blood vouchers help those with screenings, as it is a reduced cost. Both Parsons, Couch, and the president of WVU Medicine Camden Clark, Sean Smith, added why it's important to have this day.
It gives access to care for those that may not be able to seek it otherwise. It also provides an opportunity for us to be able to interact with the community. It provides awareness for services, but it also is an opportunity for us to be able to educate.
Our team volunteer, our coordinators here today looking for new volunteers and our volunteers in the hospital. We're talking about foundation events and all the support we provide to the hospital, in addition to all the opportunities to take care of your own health.
Obviously, having the opportunity to have lots of booths where you can learn different things about the health services that are available in our community is really important, and it's in a kind of a less stressful environment than going to the doctor's office, and so it's really great to get all this information today.
To learn more about the different services at WVU Medicine Camden Clark, you can head to our online article at WTAP.com.